We currently have artificial intelligence models that can reliably pass the bar exam, score in the 90th percentile on the SAT, and write complex algorithms. Yet, when tasked with autonomously navigating a dynamic, enterprise-level codebase, these same models consistently crash. The root cause is architectural. Standalone large language models are stateless, reactive inference engines. They operate on a linear, single-turn execution loop. A prompt goes in, the model predicts the next sequence of tokens, and the process ends. The model has no internal state to track its own progress or correct a plan that has gone off track. This chart visualizes the training distribution boundary. The dense cluster represents the highly controlled, human-annotated data the model understands. But messy, real-world enterprise tasks, like integrating a custom API, exist as out-of-distribution points far outside that safe zone. When a linear inference engine crosses this boundary, its logic fractures. Without a mechanism to recognize it is in unfamiliar territory, the model continues to predict text based on its training patterns, leading to hallucinations and total process failure. Expanding a model's context window or adding more parameters does not solve the problem of statelessness. To achieve true autonomy, we have to move beyond the linear inference model entirely. Agentic AI functions as a composite system. It takes a foundational model and wraps it inside a deterministic control structure. Reliable performance requires matching specific model abilities to the cognitive demands of a task. Frameworks like Adaly provide an ability profile for these models, predicting where they will succeed and where they require additional architectural support to handle unfamiliar variables. An agentic system handles high cognitive demands by distributing them across specialized subagents. Rather than relying on one monolithic inference pass, the system assigns distinct agents to specific stages: research, code generation, and verification. This creates an active perception action cycle. When an agent hits an obstacle outside its training distribution, it doesn't simply fail. It pauses, evaluates the error, and reroutes its path around the barrier to reach the target. This routing capability changes the software's role. It is no longer just predicting the next word. It is navigating toward a goal, adjusting its strategy as it receives feedback from the environment. Autonomy is defined by the ability to adapt to failure, which requires a system that can sustain a continuous loop of reasoning. This loop is driven by a recursive feedback cycle: perception, reasoning, planning, execution, and reflection. Modern reasoning-centric models, like the O-series, use explicit chain-of-thought processing to work through these stages. They formulate a multi-step plan and verify each logical bridge before taking any external action. The system then translates that plan into discrete tool calls, using standardized interfaces to interact with external databases or corporate software. While this recursive loop provides the engine for agency, it requires a rigid, stateful chassis to ensure the AI doesn't get caught in infinite, unproductive loops. Basic AI implementations often rely on a simple Python while loop to retry tasks. At scale, this is extremely brittle. If a single component fails or a network connection drops, the entire loop crashes and all work is lost. Production-grade autonomy requires modeling workflows as stateful directed acyclic graphs, or DAGs. This architecture enforces strict rules on how agents interact and how data flows between them. In LangGraph, nodes represent distinct agents. When a node completes a task, it passes a shared state object to the next agent. This centralized record tracks workflow history. If an agent fails, the graph rolls back to the last successful checkpoint and resumes. These checkpoints enable time travel debugging, allowing developers to replay and diagnose specific failures, and human-in-the-loop gates, where the system causes for human approval on high-stakes decisions before proceeding. DAG Orchestration converts the high-variance outputs of an LLM into a deterministic, auditable, fault-tolerant business process. Traditional retrieval-augmented generation acts as passive context injection. It provides information, but the model cannot decide what to keep or discard. For long-horizon tasks, this passive approach leads to context degradation, where irrelevant data distracts the model. Autonomous systems require a tiered memory architecture: episodic memory for past events, semantic memory for facts, and procedural memory for learned workflows. The AgeMem framework treats memory management as an explicit tool-based action. The agent autonomously pushes and pulls data from its memory stores, just like an external API. It curates its own context by updating records or deleting knowledge no longer relevant to the task. By actively summarizing its short-term context and filtering out noise, the agent maintains a clear intent throughout a long-duration workflow. This active management enables the agent to maintain coherence across hours of operation, evolving from a simple text predictor into a system that organizes its own knowledge base. Hard coding tool integrations directly into an agent's code creates security risks and makes updates difficult. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, solves this by creating a standardized interface that sits between the agent and the outside world. MCP servers provide sandboxed, permission-aware access to enterprise tools, allowing agents to interact with systems without direct, unmonitored access to the underlying infrastructure. When combined with cross-framework protocols like A2A or agent-to-agent, multiple specialized agents can coordinate and hand off tasks across entirely different orchestration frameworks. This standardization creates a secure, plug-and-play environment, essentially providing the AI with a universal set of hands to interact with any digital environment. While AI agents excel in digital spaces, the physical world is far less forgiving. A wrong move on a factory line isn't just a software error, it's a mechanical failure. This brings us to the ultimate challenge for agentic systems, the embodiment gap. Most robotic policies are trained in digital simulations, where physics are predictable. But when deployed into the real world, factors like friction, lighting changes, and material flex create the sim-to-real gap, causing digital logic to fail against physical reality. Early robotic systems were modular, separating computer vision from natural language processing and motor control. Information had to be passed sequentially between these isolated components. The latency of this modular approach is a critical bottleneck. In the time it takes for a vision model to describe a moving object to a language model, the physical environment has already changed. To operate in the real world, the agent requires end-to-end physical grounding. Perception and motor control must be integrated into a single, high-speed execution loop that can respond to sensory data in milliseconds. Vision Language Action, or VLA, foundation models are designed to provide this integration. VLAs bypass the modular bottleneck by ingesting multimodal data, including camera feeds and text instructions, directly into a single neural network. This architecture maps semantic understanding end-to-end, converting visual perception directly into motor commands for specific joints. Real-time sensory data, like haptic pressure and visual depth, flows back to the perception node, allowing continuous movement adjustment for safety. VLAs transform software reasoning into physical agency. The system doesn't just understand what an object is, it understands how to interact with it in three-dimensional space. The convergence of stateful orchestration, active memory, and VLA models provides a complete architectural stack for autonomy. Software is moving from a reactive tool to a proactive agent. It can now plan, remember, and act in unstructured environments, whether they are digital codebases or industrial workbenches. This infrastructure, built on state management, secure tool execution, and end-to-end grounding, is the foundation for the next stage of artificial intelligence development.